show you how to or taking out this differential transmitter online, okay, the correct way. But first I will show you where's the high side. So that's our high side, and this our low side. Okay, so first procedure to close the downstream, so it means the low side, assuming that this transmitter is online. Okay, next close the upstream, the high side, and then open the bypass valve. So now for removing the transmitter, bleed it. Yes. Okay, open there slowly, and the other one slowly. Okay, so that's how to remove the differential transmitter online. That's the. Now we are going to put into operation this transmitter. Okay, so the first procedure is to make sure that both are closed, both upstream and downstream are closed. Okay, our bypass valve is open. Okay, this is the first thing. Okay, so now to put this one into operation, open first the upstream, the high side. Okay, that's the high side. Okay, then close the bypass valve. Okay, closing the bypass valve, and then open the downstream. Okay, so that's how to put the transmitter into operation. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.